can see the players are trying to play. They're trying to knock the ball around, and you know the fitness level's got to be better. But outside of that, they were trying to play. They're trying to knock the ball around and support each other and work hard. So I was pleased with the fact that they didn't go away from when the pressure comes, go away from what we've been working on. They're trying to make it happen. So hopefully on Sunday we can put it all together. Get recovered tomorrow, and hopefully on Sunday we can put it all together.
Anybody else?
Coach, the right back Olivia Osborne, one of the most prolific striker in Jamaica, young striker in Jamaica. She was playing that right back, left back, and then right back. What's your take on putting her in that position?
It was just from things I saw in training. We needed some help there, so we kind of put her there. And there's some kids that have some knocks, and we're trying to get them healthy. And she was willing to go in and help us in that position. So. We'll see how we feel after tomorrow, and who knows what Sunday comes, what we will do with her.
And this is the best 11 you had put on the park for this game?
From a health standpoint and all of that, everything taken in consideration, yes. It's the best 11 you put on.
And regarding what major adjustments you'll be making to ensure that you come away with a victory come Sunday, noting that you're playing at home?
Well, the biggest adjustment we have to make is get the players recovered, because as you can see, they were getting tired, and things are happening and cramping and getting knocked. So the biggest adjustment is going to be the recovery, in getting them recovered enough to be able to give 90 minutes on Sunday.
Due to lack of fitness, would you say that you need actually more preparation time to get them up to that fitness level, or you didn't get that enough time?
No, you never have enough time, and I was here this week with them, and some of the local players were training before, but as you come in, you look at things and try to make adjustment, but you can always need more time to get fitness to the level that you want, because there's a certain style we want to play, and for that you have to be very fit, and so the fitness level is taking its toll on them right now, but we'll recover and come out on Sunday and give it our best effort.
Clearly Panama, they're ahead in terms of they look like they've been training together for a longer time than us. Are you confident that we can actually go over this hurdle on Sunday?
I believe in the players. I think there were times, especially in the first half, where we had multiple opportunities and we just didn't put the ball away. We didn't finish, and that's that comes with time. And so part of the preparation, if you have more time, then you can finalize the final third of the pitch. But I'm confident that they're going to come out and they're going to show it. We'll look at some film and kind of make adjustment from the film from what we see, and then talk and kind of walk through some stuff, and then try to make adjustments for the Sunday match.
All right, one more question.
Before you have the weather conditions, do you think that might have any impact on the overall performance of both teams?
It did. I know for us, we came out, we warmed up, and we were ready to go. And then when you have to go back and sit in the locker room, you have to find ways to stay loose and all of that, And so for me, I think the weather had something to do with, for them as well and for us. But, things are going to come up that you can't control, and you just have to do the best you can with the things you can control. And so that's kind of what we did.
Last night, you guys didn't really get to prepare as you wanted to, due to the lighting situation at Sabina. Do you say that maybe made an impact, played a part in the result tonight?
Yeah, I think that to be honest, I was disappointed that we didn't get to do, because there were some things we wanted to try to do and we didn't get a chance to do it. So yes, it did affect us in parts of the set pieces and different things we wanted to do, and we just didn't get a chance to do that last night. So it did affect the preparation coming in.
Thanks, Coach.